An epic winter storm has been sweeping through much of Ontario since Thursday, disrupting travel across the province and leaving thousands without power. The storm continued to move through the region, bringing with it a shot of Arctic air, snow, and high winds to create blizzard and whiteout conditions. Paired with a layer of ice caused by the earlier rain, this created very slippery and dangerous conditions for commuters and travelers.
So, for some scale, he's 6'3".
Widespread road closures have occurred across the province. Heavy snow and low visibility even forced some townships to pull their plows from the roads. The local authorities are continuing to urge people to avoid any travel, as road conditions are still dangerous. Ferocious winter weather grounded flights and stranded 9 trains between Ontario and Quebec. In addition, British Columbia released a weather statement early Sunday forecasting snow and freezing rain in the province's southern interior until Tuesday.